Hey guys, welcome back to LRC. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to submit your video for the World Fastest D12 Challenge. This is my one. So there are three categories: standard chassis, modified chassis for rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive. The list is here. The step-by-step to submit the video is here. You can take a look. And all the info, latest update or any changes will be updated on the website. Link over here on our official store latest news section. So now I'm going to show you how to actually shoot the whole video to submit for the challenge. It must be in a continuous, there's no cut in between, okay? Okay, so let's see, intro yourself, what's your name, and which category you are participating, whether it's the stock chassis or the modified category. Briefly explain about your spec, then do two runs, one's in this direction, then another in another direction. Then come back all in the same view, in a continuous view with your car in view. Then review your top speed, whether you are using your phone to check your GPS or using a GNS with a mobile app to display your speed. After that, submit to YouTube video with a hashtag of WFDD12. Then share it in the World Fastest D12 official group. Look for the pin post, comment and share your YouTube link, and then we will update to the list over there. Okay, so good luck to everyone. Hey guys, Edward here. So I'm joining the standard chassis category, and I have a brushless inside, then with metal gears inside the gearbox, metal gear in the axle, and the gear drive shaft as well. So we are at this location here with very wide runoff, and it's pretty flat as well. So we'll be doing two runs, left and right. And yep, need to set up my GPS. I have a GNS here. So press track, then press start. It's 0. So that's reading. Alright, then let's go. Hope it doesn't flip too much. I'm just gonna position it first. Don't think this will be very far. Just increase the throttle gradually. Oh, that's quite slow. Okay, I think we have hit top speed already. Then another direction. Pretty safe speed. Top speed, full throttle. Alright, then let's come back. Okay, let's see what's the speed. Okay, press stop. Let's read. Only 20 kmh.
20 kmh.
I record from the screen. 20 kmh. Can see. Can see 20. Yeah, can see 20. Okay, so that's my top speed. I think it will be very easy for you guys to beat. And so upload this video on YouTube, and then follow the step-by-step, follow the rules and regulations. Let's play it fair, and good luck to everyone. Bye.